Hi, welcome back to this day 30. Today we have another beautiful loop, that is while loop. Remember, most of the programming languages have this for loop and while loop. These are mostly used for loops. Okay, so now without any delay, let's start with the while loop, guys. So basically, what is while loop? When we need to use, we have loop, for loop, right? So then when we need to have this while loop. See, for loop, when we know start and stop. Okay, if you know start and stop, then you use that for loop. Okay, this is where you need to use. But while loop use, see, first we will have a condition. Okay, first we will have a condition. If that condition is true, then only that program will run. That code will, that while block code will get executed, or else the code will not get executed. Remember, you will have a condition first. You will check the condition, then only will enter into the while loop. If the condition is false, then you will not enter into the loop itself. Okay, so if you want to enter into the loop, that condition should be satisfied. So that's the that is what the definition of while loop. So what is while loop means? If somebody asks you what is while loop, so you just say, so what is while loop, right? What is while loop? Now if somebody asks like this, see, if the condition is true, then it will enter. So while loop will execute, or else it will not. This is a simple answer you can say. So there are bookish definitions like a while loop repeats like a block of code, and like that they will say, right? So this is somewhat you need to understand this. While loop will use is in the name only, it's there while. If the condition is true, then only we'll enter into this while loop. Okay. Now will I will write the syntax. Okay. While condition, you will have a condition, and as usual you will have a colon here, then you will have that statements, whatever the statements you have. Okay, so this is the syntax. So remember this. Remember about indentation is must for everything. Okay, so you need to know about indentation. You should be careful. So most of you guys beginner mistakes will be indentation mistake. Don't make it. Every time I will say use tab. Okay, single tab is enough. Now we will have statements. That's it. So this is a simple while loop syntax. So remember, this is a keyword you need to use. Now let's take a simple example, and I will try to explain you in the VS Code itself. Let's go to VS Code quickly. So here, as I said, let's take some num equal to 10. You need to have while. Okay, so here you will have while, and you need to give a condition. So that condition will be like, is num greater than 10? Okay, num greater than 10. Okay, so this is a condition. Print 10. Print num. Okay, so this is how it needs to be executed. Now it will check, is num equal to 10? Is num greater than 10? No, it is not greater than 10. It will not at all enter into this condition. Okay, if I take 11, then it will enter into this sprint. Okay, so see, so this is simple way. You will have a initialized variable, and you use that variable here. Okay, so that variable you will check with the condition. So if the condition is true, then you will enter into this loop. Okay, or else it will not enter. First let's take 10. If I print, you will get nothing. See, so you will get nothing. There is nothing here. Okay, we are just getting a blank screen. Okay, let me clear this so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, now you are getting a blank screen. Okay, you are seeing a blank screen here. Now let's go. Let's do some other things, right? Let's increment this 12. So when you use tell, is num 12 is greater than 10? Yes, it is greater than 10. So if the number is greater than 10, then it will start executing. See, this is an infinite loop, guys. Control C. Whenever like this happens, go here, quickly type Control C. Why? Because you have given number. Okay. number is greater than 10 and it will print number. Again it will check, okay, it will keep on checking, and that 12 will be keep on incrementing, right? That it will not be incremented, it is as usual, okay. Num is 12 only, but 12 is greater than 10. Every time it is 10 and it will keep on executing. To make sure it will not happen, you need to you need to decrement that num equal to 1. I hope you remember this, why we are using this. See, this is a shorthand way to do num equal to num minus 1. While I was explaining about this arithmetic operators, I have explained you about this. See, if I run this now, see 12 and 11, okay, then the loop will not get executed. So remember, one important thing is we need to initialize the variable first. Then you will have a condition. If the condition is true, if this condition is true, then you will enter into while loop. At the same time, after executing, you need to decrement the variable or you need to increment the variable according to your program, right? In this program, I need to decrement this. If let's see, if number is less than 10, okay, if number is less than 10, so no, it will not enter into this loop. So if I make it as 1, okay. Now, if I print, what will happen? Just think once and let me know. If I print this, see, infinite loop. Again, infinite loop, guys. So don't do this. Your CP will, like, it is infinite loop and it will be very difficult, right? So your CPU will take that and it will be processing it and CPU will drain. So don't do that. CPU overhead will be increased. So here now for this condition, you need to do num equal to num plus 1, so that, see, from 1 to 10 you can print the values. After that, condition will fail and it will not enter into this loop itself. If I run this now, see, wait. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the one thing you need to keep in mind. This is about while loop. Inside this while loop, you can use if conditions, that continue keyword, like if num equal to 5, continue, which means if number equal to 5, continue. Okay, elif, I will do elif number equal to 7, okay, I will break, okay, I will break. See here, number equal to 7, okay. So else you need to use, you will print the num value, okay, you will print the num value. And don't forget, guys, even though if you use if else statements also, you need to have a condition, okay. So to avoid infinite loops, num equal to num plus 1, okay. Now we'll run, okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because num equal to 5, it will continue, okay? And then num will become 6, okay? Now num equal to 6, see? So till 4 it's printed. Num equal to 7, so it will break here, okay? So if num equal to 5, it will continue, right? So then it will add, okay? So this is how that execution will work. So I hope, see, I think, see, there is this, one thing here that we need to carefully observe. See, num less than 10, that is true. So first one will be printed, okay. Next one will be incremented, it will become 2, okay, it will become 2. So carefully observe here, it will become 2, right? So when it becomes 2, 2 less than 10 condition is true, again it will print 2, it will print 3. And when it comes to 4, see, 4 less than 10 and 4 equal to 4 condition is 2, so condition is false, so well, it will come to elif. So 4 equal to 7 condition is false, so it will not enter into elif, so else it will print that 4. The 4 will become 5, so when it becomes 5, it will continue, okay. So it will not get into this elif or break or else. But here that num equal to num plus 1, which means it will become 6. Is num less than 6 less than 10, right? So when 6 less than 10, so why we are not able to see here, okay, why we not able to see here? That's the one question that I will ask you, okay. See, if I run again, okay, see, why this is not getting executed. That's the one thing I will ask you. See, if I run this, see, think something happened, guys. Something happened, or else, see, now if I run this, here it's getting stopped. Okay, okay, it's getting stopped here. Why it is getting stopped here? It's just same. Okay, see, if I again run this, you can't do anything. So I mean, I don't know. The execution is getting, it's keep on getting executed, right? See, 6. It's becoming 6. It is supposed to print 6, right? So why it's not printing 6, and it's not at all getting break also. So the program execution is not stopped here. What is the problem? And if you find it, no, just comment in the comment section, okay? So with this, uh, I hope you understood what are while loops or what is while loop in Python and how it works. So what are the major important things that we need to concentrate? So how to avoid loops. So everything I hope you have understood. See, you have done initialization and you have a condition, then you are doing using if I mean conditional statements, and you need to decrement or increment it, right? So this is for today, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, tada, bye bye, take care. And one more thing, if you really like this video, please do like this video, and share this video with your friends and the people who are interested in learning Python. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next video.